Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Trey Moan with Character Transportation LLC, where we transform your character from lead to gold. True power must have a premise of desire behind it. If you don't want the knowledge, if you don't want the power, then you won't seek it. And if you won't seek it, you won't have it. The Bible says, seek and you should find. Knock and the door should be opened unto you. But if you never even have the desire within you to say, I'm going to learn how to, let's say, start a YouTube channel. I'm going to learn how to run a 5K. I'm going to learn how to develop my body. If you never seek it, then you won't have it. And then once you do start seeking it and you get the information, you get the knowledge, it's still not power. It's only potential. If you keep it in your mind, if you keep it up here in your mind, and you never put it in your heart, into your being, into your consciousness, if you never act on it, then what's the point? What's the point? My boy said one day, I was talking to him, and he said, yes, there is tremendous value in these books that you read. These spiritual books, these financial books, these character development books, personal development books. There's tremendous value in the books. But where's the value in you? Where's the value in you? You don't know this person, the author of the book for that matter. You never met this person, you never talked to this person. You don't know how this person really lives his life. Now, granted, these books are their truth, right? It's their truth. So take it and see how it works in your life. And if, let's say, things like fasting, running, reading, if these things are helping you become a better person, a better man, a better you, then by all means, take action and prove it. Prove it. My boy Trey, he said he'd take one aspect of each book that he reads and see if he can apply it within his own life. So if I said 24 hours of fasting will start the cleansing process, and after 36 hours, and you're going to see white coated stuff on your tongue, and through that process, you're going to know how healthy or how sick you are. If I said that, it's like, oh, cool, really? I didn't know that. But then it's like, have you ever applied it? Have you ever done it? It's hearsay. A lot of people on YouTube is putting out hearsay. So I'm making it my purpose, my mission to continue to grow so that I can share with you nothing but the truth. Know thyself, and the truth will set you free. But you have to apply. You have to want to do the work. So use me and every other YouTuber, every other spiritual master, every other book, every other experience in your life to teach you. Not discounting that your experience is the one true, it's the one truth. It's in your experience. There we go. It's your experience of the things that's happening. So I'll read books, and I had a bad habit of not applying it and not getting the results. So I backtracked and I slowed down, and then I regrouped, and I'm like, okay, I read this book, Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. First law of success, desire. You must have the desire. So if you don't even have the desire to pick up a book, then forget the knowledge. Forget the knowledge. You won't even get to the knowledge, let alone the power. But know that it's your power that you have to unlock. The let to go philosophy is only unlocking more of you. It's unlocking your own self-limitations. That's why I say, like, you can do it. You can do it. And I mean that. And this is how I talk to myself. It's how I have to talk to myself, because if I don't believe in me, then who will? If you don't think you're great, then who will? If you don't know you're the king, right, of your kingdom, made in the image and likeness of God, if you don't know that, you know what I'm saying? What can I say? You got to know that, and you have to talk to yourself in a way of upliftment, of belief. You have to see the vision. I have a vision in my mind for this YouTube, for my speaking career, for my running training, and as a mindset coach. But if I don't believe that I can do it, that I can win, no one will. And how can I inspire you to do the same? How can I inspire you to go from lead to gold? It has to be an embodiment. You have to teach. You have to lead by example. It is in your actions that people watch. It is in your actions that people discover who you truly are. Come on, guys, watch the actions, not the words. If he's saying I'm gonna start the business and it's been 6 months, if he said I'm gonna work on my relationship, you ain't talk to him. He said I'm gonna fight you, I'm gonna beat you up, I'm gonna show you who's the man. Never pull up. Like, come on, guys. If you read the books and you obtain the knowledge and you watch the videos on YouTube, including this one, apply it. Take it and see. So with every video, go ahead and apply. Every video I put out, apply one thing I've said. Apply one thing. Apply one thing. Whether it's on a fasting protocol, or it's on the journaling process, or it's on understanding the iceberg effect and how people only see what's at the top and not all the work that's underneath. Or this one, taking action on the knowledge that you found. So if you need any advice, if you have a question for me, if you want to talk to me, book a call with me. Book a coaching call with me. It's in the link in the bio, in my description of the video. I'm a mindset coach. The mindset. I'm going from lead to gold. And I want to help. I want to serve. I want to inspire. So help me help you, help me fulfill my dreams and live my dharma, my purpose. And we don't go. But book a call, one-on-one mindset coach, guys. Free 30 minutes. And I wish you guys nothing but the best of luck. Let's get it. Guys, if you just watched one of my last videos, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my Calendly. Book a call with me, okay? I'm your mindset coach. I'm here to help you transform your limitations into something way more than you ever thought it could be. Let's go.